Hi everyone, Vincenzo here with a new episode of Ukerocks, a series of ukulele tutorials on some of the best rock riffs of all time. So if like me, you wanna rock out on the ukulele, you can't miss this one. Today you will learn how to play Do I Wanna Know by the Arctic Monkeys, one of my favorite songs by the British band. In the tutorial you will learn how to play the main guitar riff and the chords, so that you can play the entire song. Having said that, let's get started. But before doing that, let me remind you to subscribe to the channel. I don't like to say these things, but it would really help me if you did, and it doesn't cost you anything. The guitar riff is really cool, and pretty much the entire song is based on it. You start with fret number 5, hammer onto 7, then 6, 7, and then again 5, hammer onto 7, 6, 6, hammer onto 8, and then 6. All together, 1, 2, 3. I'm counting to 3 because the riff starts on beat 4. One more time, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's work on the second part of the riff. You slide to 10 from 8, 8, 6, 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 10, 8 hammer onto 10, and then you end the riff on fret 7. All together, 1 and 2. One more time, 1 and 2. By the way, for the right hand, I'm using the thumb for the 4th and the 3rd string, the index for the 2nd string, and the middle finger for the 1st string. But you can just use the thumb and it will still work. Now let's put the riff together. Remember, it starts on beat 4. So 1, 2, 3. And again. Very slowly. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you're done with the riff. So let's see what chords you need to play the verse, the pre-chorus and the chorus. You only need 4 chords to play Do I Wanna Know, and they are G minor, E flat, C minor, and D. This is the chord progression for the verse and the chorus. One thing to notice is that before they go to the pre-chorus, basically before they sing Do I Wanna Know, the chord progression changes to this. As you can see, instead of the last G minor, you have D. The chord progression for the pre-chorus is pretty similar, and it's this one. Now that you know the chords, my suggestion is to work on different strumming patterns for each sections. That way the piece will sound more interesting. In the description you can find a tutorial on how to find your own strumming patterns. However, if you're running out of time, have a strumming pattern that can work for the entire song. Let me show it to you. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. And again, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Now let me play the strumming pattern following the chords of the verse. 3, 4, G minor, E flat, C minor, C minor, G minor, and again G minor, E flat, C minor, C minor, G minor. Okay, It's time for the play along. I will be playing the riff 4 times and you will also have the chords in the background. The tempo will be 85 BPM. Having said that, get ready, you're about to start playing. The aim of this tutorial was to teach you how to play Do I Wanna Know. Learn it, post your video on social media and tag me. I will share your video in my stories. On my Patreon page you can find the tabs and the backing tracks that you need to practice this song. You have 3 backing tracks, one at the original tempo, one slower and another one even slower. And one more thing, don't forget that if you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if you managed to learn this song. If you want help in your ukulele journey, take a look at my freebies in the description. I have 3 tabs, a guide and even a free course. If you're into rock music, subscribe to my channel and follow the hashtag ukerocks on Instagram. And don't forget to check out the series Ukerocks to learn how to play some of the most iconic rock songs on the ukulele. And if you have any suggestions for more rock tutorials, drop them in the comments. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao!